Hi everyone, Ryan here, Ion Capital Solutions. Hope you're doing well. Hope you had a fun 4th of July weekend. And while on the topic of 4th of July, even though we are a day past now, I wanted to talk about what you could do to help out our economy, right? As we celebrate our nation's independence and the formation of the United States of America, we should also reflect and look back on this society that we're living on, or living in, excuse me, the really be thankful and reflect back on the freedoms that we get to exercise every single day, and what we could do, what our part as business loan brokers can be for keeping this great system going. Anyway, let's dive in. Okay, so let's celebrate Independence Day the right way. Okay, so first of all, Independence Day, it's a great opportunity for all of us to really reflect again on the freedoms that we have here in the United States of America. Okay, is it a perfect system? Not by any means, but I believe, as do many others, that it's the best functioning system in the world. And although in a day and age where we're all on social media and we're all kind of looking at all the negatives and we're pushing back and forth depending on what side of the coin we're on or whatever it may be, and we discuss different points of view, I think it's important to remember what brings us all together right here in the United States, and that's that we're a part of this country. We're a part of this economy, right? And so for many of us, when we think about the 4th of July, it's vacation time, it's fireworks time, it's fun at the beach, right? Sun at the beach, whatever it may be. But there's more to it than that. There really is more to it than that. And I really do feel lucky to be part of this economy. I think anybody that is here in the United States should also feel that way. Because the reality is, it's what grants us the opportunity to be able to live the lives that we're living, right? The ability to forge our own path, right? There are many of us that have jobs working for big, small companies, whatever it may be. But there's also many of us that are entrepreneurs that have built our own businesses. And this allows us to do exactly that and have these freedoms to go in the direction we want to go. Succeed or fail, at least we have the chance, the opportunity. And I just think that that's a great thing. And I think anybody watching this video likely feels the same way as you're considering or you already are an entrepreneur yourself, right? And so definitely something to reflect on and think about and remember where it all started. But with that being said, while bringing up our nation's economy and kind of where it's at, we really need to think to focus on the state of the economy, the ups and downs. I mean, obviously not just us, but the world. We dealt with the pandemic, and it really affected us as on a personal level and on a business level. And when we consider getting back now post the pandemic, but now dealing with inflation, what are we doing to counter this? How are we improving? Yes, we all want to improve our own lives, right? You don't want to pay the high cost of gas, or right. The landlords right now are collecting. Really, they're getting their revenge for everybody not paying rent for during the pandemic, and now finally the demand's there where they can raise those prices and whatever it may be. But we need to think about our overall system, right, and maintaining it and managing it. And those of us that are in the finance game, in the alternative lending space, as banks frequently say no to business, it's really us that are funding businesses. What are we doing to right the ship, to keep this economy healthy, to keep the cash flowing, which in turn helps us all personally? Very, very important. Are you doing your part? Because the reality is there are many businesses that are in a position that they just frankly, they need help. They need our help. And it puts us in a unique position, right? Are we going to help them, or are we going to help ourselves? Anybody who's in business loan brokering knows about a product called merchant cash advance. And the reality is the merchant cash advance is really more the problem, not the solution. Although we may call it a funding solution, it is not. There are businesses out there that can make a merchant cash advance work. Okay, but the reality is it is a high interest, and I mean high interest, short-term loan with a high payment frequency, meaning it's a daily payment or a weekly payment that puts a lot of pressure on cash flow. And then we're stacking our broker points on top of it because that's how we get paid. When we consider how expensive this is for a business that's already struggling with cash flow, how does that help the economy? What happens if that business goes out of business? How many people lose their jobs? Let's talk about your pocket for a minute. What happens to the money that goes into your pocket or the money currently in your pocket if that client defaults and the commission gets clawed back? If you are looking for sustainability and consistency and stability as a business loan broker, how is offering products like that going to stabilize? It's not. You're going to be forever chasing new business. They're never going to take another loan from you. Think about it, right? It's bad for the economy. It's bad for the business. It's bad for you. Why do it? We need to offer quality solutions to problems. That's what features repeat business, by offering quality products and branching out past your comfort zone. So if you're following some blueprint online that tells you to just find some interested businesses and forward to a lender who's going to give them that advance, and hopefully if they get funded, you're going to get a commission out of it, you're really not doing your part to help out this economy, this country. You're really more part of the problem, and that's what I want to make clear. And again, just to put more focus on the idea that really the model that you should be attracting attention, converting these people into qualified applicants for funding, but then retaining them for future business with quality products, and then rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. And that's your cycle. That's your stability. That's what helps keep businesses going, keeps the lights on, helps the economy. That is your function in the marketplace, in our nation's economy. That's what keeps this great system going. And it's been that way ever since 2008 when the banks started saying no to businesses. We've got to keep businesses in business and cash flowing. It's more than just a commission. It's about doing our part to stabilize our economy. Okay? So do the right thing. Okay? If you want to pay homage to our country, to our forefathers, if you want to celebrate our independence, right, the formation of our country, the United States of America, do the right thing, do your part, be a productive member of society, help keep this system going. A great way to do that is being a business loan broker and practicing ethics. And that's really what I'm trying to get across in this video, okay? So with that being said, understand that there's a puzzle to this, okay? As business loan brokers, we need to understand how to qualify applicants. We need to help them understand what the issue may be that they're facing, or how to get better terms, or whatever it may be. And that's through qualification and underwriting. And the service we provide is helping them navigate the space to connect with the lender, sure, but being financial experts and being able to diagnose the problems and help them towards solutions. That's our value, and that's what we need to focus on. So if you don't know that aspect of the business, you need to quickly shift towards education and learn how this works. Otherwise, you're not helping a business. You're not helping the economy. And you're definitely not helping yourself. You need to learn the business and how it actually works. Okay? It starts with premium products, moves forwards to a quality marketing strategy that features low cost or no cost. Okay, there's other videos in our channel talking about just that. Understanding how to properly qualify applicants so you're not wasting our time, their time, your time, the lender's time, anybody's time, right? Because time is money. What's the point of having conversations and chasing docs for a deal that's never going to go through because you're not in the know of whether or not there is a deal? It's no way to do business. And then there's the underwriting aspect. Be a professional. Understand your profession. You're in finance. Understand how to read financials. Understand how to calculate affordability. Understand how to put together a repayment schedule. That's the business you're in, right? We'll only find success if you learn these things, and we can teach you that here at Ion. Anyway, we have excellent opportunities available to us here in the United States. This ability to make money online, working from home in a free marketplace is really amazing. I mean, just think about people in the alternative marketplace. We can get into the finance game without having to hold any licenses. and leverage other people's money and be able to earn as a third party. I mean, think about the opportunity that's presented to us, the freedoms to make these choices and do these things. It's pretty wild when you think about it. So we have to be thankful. We're very fortunate. We really are. And so, again, please do reflect and please do your part and do the right thing to help out this great system that we're all a part of here in the United States. And if you want to learn more about how you can make money online and be a success, well, there's a lot of content on this channel that speaks about that. We're only a phone call away here. If you want to schedule a call to learn more, we can show you more about this business loan brokering profession. You can do your part to help out the economy. You can put money in your pocket. You can learn about something that'll grant you the time freedom you're looking for to get away from the 9-to-5 grind and out of the cubicle, so to speak, or whatever it may be, and give you a different direction in life. It's up to you to make something of it, but we can show you the way, and you can earn money while you're learning here at Ion. So anyway, if you want to learn more, schedule that call. Definitely hit that subscribe button, like the video, really appreciate it. It helps out the channel. Don't forget to click that notification bell so every time we post a video, you're quickly up to date. You can view it and get more free content here on our channel. Don't forget about our free Facebook group. Please join. There's always new content being offered there as well. Anyway, loan brokers, thanks for your time. Good luck to you in your next deal. I'll catch you in the next video.